Chapter 5 Introduction to PowerPoint 2021. Insight Points. In this chapter, you will learn Presentation, Slide, Uses of a presentation, Starting PowerPoint, Components of PowerPoint, Creating a new presentation, Saving a presentation, Inserting a picture, Closing a presentation, Exit PowerPoint, Opening a presentation, Running a presentation. Hi, Priyam. What are you doing? Our teacher gave us an assignment to write some ideas on saving water. Why don't you write it on computer using PowerPoint? PowerPoint? Yes, PowerPoint. It helps you in presenting the views and ideas effectively by creating a good visual impact on the audience. Let us see how. Okay. PowerPoint is a presentation software developed by Microsoft. It is an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video and animated special effects. PowerPoint Microsoft द्वारा विकसित एक प्रस्तुति, प्रेजेंटेशन, सॉफ्टवेयर है। यह माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस सूट का एक अभिन्न हिस्सा है। पावरपॉइंट का उपयोग सुंदर प्रस्तुतियां, प्रेजेंटेशंस बनाने और प्रदर्शित करने के लिए किया जाता है, जिनमें टेक्स्ट, चित्र, चार्ट, आरेख, डायग्राम्स, ऑडियो, वीडियो और एनिमेटेड विशेष प्रभाव, एनिमेटेड स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स शामिल होते हैं। Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays the information along with graphics, sound and animation. एक प्रस्तुति स्लाइड्स का संग्रह होती है, जो एक व्यवस्थित क्रम में होती हैं और जानकारी को ग्राफिक्स, ध्वनि और एनिमेशन के साथ प्रदर्शित करती हैं। Slide A slide is like a page in a PowerPoint presentation that displays some information about a topic. Slide एक पेज की तरह होती है, जो PowerPoint प्रस्तुति में किसी विषय के बारे में जानकारी दिखाती है। Uses of a presentation. A PowerPoint presentation helps you in presenting the views and ideas effectively by creating a good visual impact on the audience. PowerPoint प्रस्तुति आपके विचारों और दृष्टिकोणों को प्रभावी ढंग से प्रस्तुत करने में मदद करती है, जो दर्शकों पर एक अच्छा दृश्य प्रभाव डालती है। People in the business world use it to present information about their products or company in seminars and meetings. व्यावसायिक दुनिया में लोग इसका उपयोग सेमिनार और बैठकों में अपने उत्पादों या कंपनी के बारे में जानकारी प्रस्तुत करने के लिए करते हैं। PowerPoint is an effective tool to present and organize the course content in the classroom to enhance the students' learning. कक्षा में कोर्स की सामग्री को प्रस्तुत और व्यवस्थित करने के लिए PowerPoint एक प्रभावी उपकरण है, जो छात्रों के सीखने के अनुभव को बेहतर बनाता है। Starting PowerPoint. To start with PowerPoint, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Type PowerPoint in the search bar. 3. Click on the app, named PowerPoint, as shown in figure. 4. Click on the blank presentation option to open a new blank presentation as shown in the figure. A new presentation will open with the default name Presentation 1. Components of PowerPoint. The PowerPoint window consists of the following components. Title bar. It displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Quick access toolbar. It has frequently used commands and is placed at the top left of the title bar. You can also place this toolbar below the ribbon. To do so, click on the drop-down arrow at the end of the toolbar and select the Show Below the Ribbon option. To add more commands to the Quick Access toolbar, select the commands that you want to include in the Quick Access toolbar from the drop-down list. Ribbon. The ribbon is placed below the title bar. It displays several tabs, such as File Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab has commands that are organized into different groups. Slide pane. It is the middle section of the PowerPoint window where you can work directly on individual slides. Slides navigation pane. The slides navigation pane is located on the left side of the presentation window. It shows a thumbnail version of each slide. If you want to see the large view of any thumbnail, click on it. The selected slide appears in the slide pane. You can add, delete, copy and rearrange slides in the slides navigation pane. Notes pane. It is placed on the status bar. The notes pane provides space to add notes for the current slide. These notes are also known as the speaker's notes. View buttons. The view buttons are displayed towards the left of the zoom slider on the status bar. You can view the slides in different formats. Normal, slide sorter, reading view, slideshow, zoom slider. Click and drag the zoom slider to increase or decrease the slide's view. The number to the right of the slider reflects the zoom percentage. Creating a new presentation. A new presentation can be created in the following two ways. By using blank presentation. By using templates. Creating a blank presentation. To start with a new blank presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File then New option and then click on the Blank Presentation option or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. 2. A new blank presentation appears in PowerPoint. By default, it contains only one slide with dotted rectangular boxes, called placeholders. These placeholders hold text, images and other objects on a slide. Adding text in a placeholder. You can add text in the given placeholder as shown below. 1. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. The cursor blinks inside the text box. Type some text. 2. Now, click outside the text box. You will notice that the entered text appears on the slide in the slide pane. Similarly, you can add the text in the next placeholder. To add a new slide in your presentation, click on the New Slide drop-down option in the Slides group on the Home tab and select the required slide layout from the Office Themes section. Creating a presentation using a template. A template is a pre-designed presentation layout that includes custom formatting and designs. It can save a lot of time and effort when starting a new presentation. PowerPoint provides various built-in templates that you can easily use to create your presentations. To create a presentation using a template, follow these steps. 1. Click on File then New. 2. The new screen appears, displaying a list of templates on different topics. 3. You can also search for online templates and themes by typing the topic of the theme on the search bar. 4. Double-click on the template thumbnail that you wish to use. Or click on the thumbnail to preview the template first and then click on the Create button as shown in figure. 5. A new blank presentation with the desired template will open. It will open multiple slides with pre-designed themes. Saving a presentation. To save a presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab and select the Save As option. Or 2. Click on the Save button present on the left of Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl+S. 3. Select the Browse option. The Save As dialog box will open. 4. Select the folder where you want to save the file. 5. Specify the name of the file as Presentation 1 in the File Name text box. 6. Click on the Save button. The presentation will be saved with the name Presentation 1, having an extension .pptx. Inserting a picture. Adding pictures will make your presentation more interesting and enticing. You can insert picture to your PowerPoint presentation from your computer or from the internet. Let us learn how to insert pictures to your PowerPoint presentation. 1. Click on the More Themes option present on the right side of the screen to get more templates. Choose your desired template. 2. Click on the placeholder of the slide pane and type the text, Artificial Intelligence. Click on another placeholder and type another text, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is the intelligence created by humans. AI enables machines to think and carry out tasks the way humans do using their natural intelligence. 3. Click on the Insert Pictures, Stock Images option. The Stock Images window will open. 4. Choose a theme as robots, select a picture from the gallery of images, and click on the Insert button. 5. The selected picture will be added to your slide. You can drag the handles of the picture to resize it and place it at the desired position. Closing a presentation. To close the presentation, click on the File tab. Select the Close option or press Ctrl+W. The presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. Exit PowerPoint. To exit PowerPoint, click on the Close button on the title bar or use the Alt+F4 key combination. Opening a presentation. To open an existing presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab and select the Open option from the left pane. 2. From the center pane of the Open document screen, click on the Browse button. 3. The Open dialog box will appear. Select the file that you want to open from the specific location. 4. Click on the Open button. Running a presentation. After making slides for your presentation, you can run it by pressing F5 key on the keyboard or by clicking on the slideshow icon on the status bar. Or, click on the Slideshow tab and select the From Beginning option to start the slideshow from the beginning.